If you formatted your hard drive by mistake and lost everything in your drive, don't worry, your files aren't gone forever. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your data using the command prompt. And to prove it works, I'm going to format one of my own drives right in front of you, then bring the files back with extra tips to maximize success. Stick around, this might be the recovery guide that saves your day. So before we proceed with the recovery, let me quickly open the drive I want to recover files from. As you can see, the drive currently has some files, or maybe just blank partition if you have already lost access to your data. Either way, this step is just to show you what's currently on the drive before formatting. And now I'm going to go ahead and format the drive, just like you may have done by mistake. Don't worry, formatting doesn't actually erase the files permanently. It just removes the file system reference. This is why recovery is still possible. Watch closely as I format the drive, and then we'll jump straight into using Photorec from the command line to recover all that lost data. Before you attempt any file recovery on a formatted, corrupted, or suspicious drive, run the pre-recovery tool first. This command-based drive health checker is a lightweight, no-install tool designed to quickly analyze the smart health of all drives connected to your PC and help you make smarter and safer recovery decisions. Click the link pinned in the comment section to download it from my Gumroad page. Open the downloaded zip file. You would see the ultimate drive health checker tool. Double-click it and follow the prompt to begin the diagnostic check. The tool will indicate the model of the drives, which is the name of the physical drive, be it internal hard disk drive, solid state drive, or USB drive. The size will indicate the drive size in bytes, and the status will indicate the smart status of the drive. OK indicates healthy or no signs of failure. If a drive showed predicted failure, it means the disk may be dying soon. You should not run recovery tools on it without cloning first. Drives showing unknown can still be used, but recovery tools may not be able to check for physical defects properly. The device ID section indicates the drive letter signed by Windows, which could be drive C, D, or whatever letter it is. The free space will indicate the available space in bytes, and the size will indicate the total partition size in bytes. Volume name will indicate the label, if available, of the drive. And lastly, the file system will indicate the type of file system of the drive, which could be NTFS, exFAT, CDFS, or any kind of file system. Always run this before attempting data recovery. This script helps you decide if it's safe to proceed with recovery tool. Let's begin the recovery. Open your preferred web browser and type www.cgsecurity.org wiki Photorec. In the Photorec page, download the Windows version. When the download completes, open the downloaded zip file. Open the test disk folder and search for the Photorec executable file. From there, extract the zip to a folder you can easily access. Do not extract to the formatted drive. Now copy the path of the folder. Press down shift on your keyboard and right-click the folder in order to copy its path. Now let's run command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Let's navigate to Photorec's folder. Type CD and paste the path we initially copied. Now let's launch Photorec. Type Photorec _Windows. A text-based interface will appear. Select the formatted drive. Use the arrow keys to highlight the physical drive. Look for the correct size and model to identify the drive. If you are unsure, check the pre-recovery tool first. When you are done selecting the drive, press Enter to proceed to the next step. Now you have to choose the partition or whole disk. If the drive shows no partition, select Hold Disk for entire drive recovery. If partition exists but are corrupted, select the affected partition. When done, press Enter to begin the scan process. Now you'll be given the opportunity to select the file system type. Photorec needs to know the file system type your files were stored on. Just to be sure, you can confirm the file system type from the pre-recovery tool. After confirmation, you can choose Other in order to choose file systems like NTFS, FAT32 or exFAT. Now press Enter to proceed. You would be given the option to choose Free if you want to analyze files only from the file system type you chose, or Whole to extract files from the whole partition, and press Enter. Now choose the recovery destination. Select a different drive. It is critical to never save the files to the same drive you are recovering from. Destination options will be provided on where to save the recovered files. You can use your up or down keyboard arrow keys to choose a destination folder, or left and right arrow keys to move back and forth on the directory path. So I am going to choose my local drive C to save my recovered files. Confirm the path and press C to start the recovery. A progress bar will be shown at the bottom. The time it takes to recover the files depends on the drive size, which will take hours for large drives. After completion, files are saved to a folder called Recap directory. Now you would have to navigate to the drive you chose to save the recovered files. Open File Explorer. Select the drive you chose to recover files and open Recap directory folder. You would realize recovered file names are lost and it will be renamed something like this. You would have to find files by extension. You can use tools like Everything to search by extension, or we can just do it manually. In the top right search bar, type .jpg or .png for photos and rename it properly. You could also choose to type docs or .pdf for Word documents. .mp4 or .mov is usually for video files, and .mp3 for audio files. If the files are a lot, you can highlight one and select all by pressing Ctrl+A. Right-click and select Rename. From there, you can type a base name and press Enter. Windows will automatically add numbers to the name you chose. Now it's time to verify the recovered files, because not all recovered files will be intact. Verification avoids corrupted documents, broken media files, and more. You can verify the files manually by opening each images or photos with a Photos tool. If it's a document, you can double-click it to check in Word or Notepad. For corrupted files, just delete them. Do not forget to download the pre-recovery tool before you attempt any file recovery on a formatted, corrupted, or suspicious drive.